Hey everybody, I'm here with some good news. We have another update for A44, the movie. The last time I did an update was a few months back, and that was just a little, not even really a teaser, just like a little clip of a scene from the movie. So as of 3:28 this morning, I finished the rough edit of the movie. And I had been working on it for the past 5 months, almost daily, trying to get this thing moving along. And it started taking shape, and I was getting more and more excited about doing it. It's finally taken shape, and we have a movie now. I've gone through all the footage. The time on it is 2 hours, 2 minutes without the credits. And the next step will be to go through and fine tune that because I really want to bring that down. I'd much rather like a movie that's around an hour and 40, hour and 45 minutes. I don't really want it to go over the 2 hour mark. So I'm confident that there's parts that I can cut out. I don't want to cut any real scenes. Like a lot of the scenes I have in here they're there for a reason, and they move the story along. But I think some scenes are a little bit longer than they need to be. So there's definitely things that I can cut out and trim it here and there. And when you go through 2 hours of doing that, you'll get a good amount of it cut out. So maybe I'll have a director's cut and then a theatrical release or whatever. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I've been doing all this on my own, so it has been very time consuming, and I haven't really been giving that many updates because, just being really uncertain. Like, I don't know, like a lot of people ask me, like, how much longer do you have? Like, I don't know. There's a lot here. And I was hoping I didn't find too many roadblocks as I was doing the edit. So there were some challenges, and I found creative ways to fix them and whatnot. But right now, like I said, I've gone through all the footage. I've seen it all, and I've got the absolute best shots that we took rolled up into the edit here. And I'm just going to work on the final edit now, and then I got to work on the sound, including like ADR, sound effects, music. I got some good news from a local musician here in the area that said I could use some of the music that he made, and this has been something I've envisioned to be in the movie now for quite some time, actually since I wrote the script back in 2009. So I'm very, very excited about that. I couldn't even really sleep last night because when I got the movie done, I was just like, I can't believe it. I can't believe that I got this done. And I also got good news about the music. So I'm uncertain of how we're going to roll this out, where people can see it and stuff. I'm not that far along yet. My priorities right now are just trying to get the movie complete and then worry about that after the fact. That's what I'm working on right now, and I'm just trying to get this movie down to like something that I'm very, very happy with. Right now, again, it's just the rough cut, but it is there, and I just felt like it's time to give an update, and I will be doing more promotion of the movie as well. I want to get people excited about this because it is, as I see this, I can say this. So watching this movie, obviously it's not a major Hollywood budget, so you're gonna know that it's a low budget movie, but we did our best with this movie. And I really think that it's a fun watch. I think anybody watching it will enjoy it. It's got a nice pace to it, and there's a few different jump scares in there that might scare some people. Again, this is it's a horror movie. I wouldn't call it a zombie movie. Someone once told me, and I agreed, that it was more of like a movie about people with zombies in it, and I think that's true with most zombie movies. But it also has a few different emotional scenes in it. People that know me know that that's what I was going for. I was inspired by some of my favorite movies to do that. So if there's movies that sometimes make you cry, this might make you do that. If you're stone cold, it still might make you shed a tear or tear up. But that was what I was going for there. And there's a few other things that you'll be like, what? And then by the end of the movie, you'll be like, oh, that makes, okay, cool. All in all, I think it's, and it's got the vegan message in it too. And I was, as I was making it, I was afraid, like I didn't want to lose that vegan message as we were doing this, because it is a horror movie. So I think that this really will appeal to horror fans alike, and also be able to promote the vegan message in a very fun way, that is, it's still, it's a cool standalone movie zombie movie, horror movie with a strong vegan message to it. So other than that, like I really can't wait to show you guys this. I would love people's feedback, but it's not quite ready yet. I still got a lot more to do, but I'm gonna probably be doing more of these updates to get things rolling, to get people more interested in sharing this. So if you're not already, go ahead and follow the movie over on the Instagram account A44 Movie, and there's also a Facebook account for it. So other than that, like I'll always be promoting it here for a certain amount of time, at least on the Kickstarter, and then after it's out, of course, probably won't be doing too much on the Kickstarter after that. But my vegan zombie account, I'm always sharing anything that I'm going to say here anyway. So that's it for now. More to come. Talk to you later.